Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can check your subscription on your Amazon Prime Video. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open any browser you want on your computer. Once you have opened a browser, simply go ahead and search for Amazon Prime. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link which says Amazon Prime Video. So go ahead and make sure you are logged in into your account. And finally, once you have logged in into your account, in order for you to go ahead and check your subscription, all you have to do is on the top right of your screen there is going to be a profile icon. So you're simply gonna go ahead and click on the top right of your screen where your profile's name is right over here, as you can see. Once you go ahead and click on that, you want to simply go ahead and click on account and settings. Finally, once you have done that, over here as you can see it says Prime Video, and then it will go ahead and give you your information. So it says it will be renewed at August 22 something, and you can simply even go ahead and cancel your membership right on this page. So on this page it will show you how many days you have left for your subscription to go ahead and expire, or even if you have to go ahead and renew it. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have regarding this topic. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.